Crash Course on Korean Food. A survey of traditional Korean cuisine, including popular dishes like kimchi, bulgogi, and bibimbap. Sure, here's a crash course on Korean food. Korean cuisine is known for its bold flavors, use of fresh ingredients, and unique cooking techniques. The cuisine is also heavily influenced by the country's geography and climate, with an emphasis on seafood and vegetables. Some dishes can be quite spicy, but there are also plenty of milder options available. One interesting fact about Korean food is the importance of fermentation in many of their dishes. Kimchi, for example, is a traditional Korean side dish made from fermented vegetables, such as cabbage or radish. It is known for its spicy, sour, and umami flavors, and is often served alongside rice and other side dishes. Some popular Korean street food includes tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes, hotteok, sweet pancakes with various fillings, eomuk, fish cakes, and sundae, blood sausage. Korean cuisine also features a wide range of stews and soups, such as kimchi jjigae, kimchi stew, doenjang jjigae, soybean paste stew, and samgyetang, chicken ginseng soup. In terms of meat dishes, Korean barbecue, known as bulgogi, is a must-try. The most popular barbecue meats include bulgogi, marinated beef, galbi, short ribs, and samgyeopsal, pork belly. These meats are typically grilled at the table and eaten with rice, lettuce leaves, and various condiments. Seafood is also an important part of Korean cuisine, with dishes like haeulpajeon, seafood pancake, mulho, raw fish salad, and janjieo-gwae, grilled eel, being popular choices. Finally, Korean desserts are a sweet treat, with options like bingsu, shaved ice with sweet toppings, hotteok, mentioned earlier, and hotteok, a type of fried donut, being popular choices. Overall, Korean cuisine is both diverse and flavorful, with a range of options for every taste preference. If you ever get the chance to visit Korea, make sure to indulge in some of these delicious dishes. Top 12 Korean food or cuisine. Kimchi, spicy fermented cabbage. Bibimbap, rice mixed with various vegetables, meat, and chili paste. Bulgogi, marinated beef grilled at the table. Galbi, short ribs grilled at the table. Samgyeopsal, grilled pork belly eaten with lettuce and condiments. Jjajangmyeon, black bean sauce noodles. Japchae, stir-fried glass noodles with vegetables and meat. Haeulpajeon, seafood pancake. Tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes. Kimbap, rice rolls filled with vegetables, egg, and meat. Sundubu jjigae, spicy soft tofu stew. Bingsu, shaved ice dessert with sweet toppings. Summary. Korean cuisine is known for its delicious and flavorful dishes, with a wide range of options available for every taste preference. From spicy fermented cabbage to marinated grilled meats and seafood pancakes, Korean food offers something for everyone. The country's unique blend of flavors and ingredients is a testament to its rich cultural heritage and history. If you ever get the chance to visit Korea, make sure to try out some of these delicious dishes and indulge in the country's vibrant food culture. Poem. Korean food, a feast for the senses. From kimchi to bulgogi, each dish commences. A blend of flavors, spicy and sweet. The perfect harmony for every treat. Bibimbap mixed with chili paste. Galbi and samgyeopsal grilled with haste. Jjajangmyeon's black bean sauce delights. Japchae's glass noodles and meat unite. Seafood pancakes, tteokbokki's spice. Kimbap's rolls, a tasty surprise. Soft tofu stew, bingsu's sweet ice. Korean cuisine, a flavor paradise. Song. Verse 1. Korean cuisine, oh what a delight. From kimchi to bulgogi, a flavor fight. Every dish, a blend of sweet and spice. Korean food, it's oh so nice. Verse 2. From kimchi to bibimbap, the flavors are so unique. Spicy, salty, sweet and sour. A true taste bud mystique. Jjigae, tteokbokki, and the famous bulgogi. Every dish tells a story of Korea's rich legacy. Chorus. Korean food, oh Korean food. So delicious and divine. A feast for all the senses. A culinary masterpiece so fine. Verse 3. The street food is a must-try. Odeng, mandu, and hotteok. Grab a bite and feel the warmth of Seoul's busy streets and folk. The tea and dessert culture is a treat for everyone. Matcha bingsu, pat bingsu, and so much more to come. Chorus. Korean food, oh Korean food, so delicious and divine. A feast for all the senses. A culinary masterpiece so fine. Bridge. Korean food brings people together, sharing meals with friends and family. It's more than just a plate of food. It's an expression of love and unity. Chorus. Korean food, oh Korean food, so delicious and divine. A feast for all the senses. A culinary masterpiece so fine. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences South Korea has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to South Korea, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.